Hey, what's going on, you guys? I just wanted to make this quick little video to explain how the ATM business works and how I was able to actually purchase a bunch of ATM machines, place them in businesses, and then make a bunch of profit every single month from these ATMs. If you don't already know me, my name is Chad Osuji. I own an ATM machine business, and I help hundreds of people just like yourself get started with their own ATM machine business. And the simplest way I can explain an ATM machine business is you buy a physical ATM machine, then you take that machine and you place it inside of a business. So this business could either be a liquor store, a gas station, marijuana dispensary. You want to find a business that has a lot of customers, because the more customers, the more monthly transactions that you're going to have. So the more money you're going to make at the end of the month. So once that physical machine is installed at the location, what you're going to do is you're going to drive to your bank. You're going to withdraw a bunch of $20 bills. Then you're going to take those $20 bills and you're going to put them inside of your ATM machine. This is our inventory. So our cash that's inside of the machine is our inventory. So what I like to do is I compare it to vending machines. So with vending machines, right, our inventory is, soda, it's water. Or if you're going the food route, our inventory is going to be chips, crackers, pretzels. It's going to be those type of snacks, right? But with an ATM machine business, instead of having snacks, our inventory is going to be cash. So what's going to happen is once we install the physical ATM and have the cash inside of the machine, then what's going to happen is we're going to wait for our customers to come up. They're going to stick their debit card into our ATM and say, for example, our customer withdraws $100 from the ATM. So our customer puts their PIN number in, they withdraw the $100, and then they walk away, nice and happy, right? But on the back end, our customer actually has to send us not $100, but $100 plus the fee. And in this case, our fee is going to be $3. So our customer is going to send my bank $103. So $100 for the inventory, right? And $3 for the fee. So we profited $3. And if this happens over and over and over again, all throughout the month, we can make, as high, I've seen it as high as $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 per machine. But, the average machine makes about anywhere between $300 to $500 on average, right? And if we have 10 of these machines, we can make a significant amount of money every single month just by placing these machines inside of businesses, collecting the fees, and then going to our bank and withdrawing the inventory and sticking the cash back into our ATMs. And I get asked this question all the time. How often am I going and refilling my ATMs? Now that depends on you, right? It depends how much cash you want to put inside of your ATM, or how much, spare cash you have on the side to actually run this business. But I personally like to keep anywhere between 2 to 3 weeks inside of my ATM. So that way I don't have to refill my ATMs, multiple times a month, because time is money, right? The more time I spend driving to the bank, withdrawing money, then driving all the way to the location, that's time wasted, right? So I want to take as much money as I possibly have, and I want to stick it inside of my ATMs. That way I'm not wasting time driving. I can spend that time trying to find another ATM deal and trying to find another business to put my ATMs in. Another question that people ask me all the time is, what about crypto? What about Bitcoin? Well, our ATMs actually are able to buy and sell Bitcoin to our customers. And I get about a 2% commission on this feature. So if I want my customers to have the ability to buy and sell Bitcoin, all I have to do is click a button. It turns the setting on, and I'm able to be basically the middleman between the company who owns the Bitcoin and my customer. So they're going to pay me about a 2% commission. And that's not paid out in Bitcoin. That's actually paid out to me, and basically ACH is direct deposited into my bank account. So it's not crypto related at all. So I'm not going to get crypto deposits. I'm only going to get those, direct deposits, the cash deposits into my account. If you need a better explanation on how the ATM business works, go ahead and click on this video right here, because I'm going to explain the 8 steps to starting your own ATM machine business. So that way you can start getting in on placing some of these ATMs inside of businesses and start collecting some of that passive income. That's all for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.